to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today for this Borboletta unbox with me. If you guys didn't know, we are definitely doing a Borboletta unboxing today. Although the box is like literally parallel the size to my head, it is dense. Like there's a lot of good stuff in here today. So without further ado, I'm gonna go get my box cutter, and please feel free to hit subscribe right down below, and let's get to it. All right guys, I'm back. So today, unfortunately, I don't have my table with me, so we're gonna open this bad boy on the fly. And, you know, careful with the middle, just because we don't want to cut the goods. And yes, cut away from you. You know, cut away from you. Like when they send you the bill, put it away from you. No, I'm just kidding. Ooh. So yeah, as you guys can tell, pack and slip sheet a little dense today. I have like multiples of each item as well, so that we love. Right, we'll pick that up later. So to start off today, I have the Barbie sleep eye mask. I have been waiting for this color specifically to get in stock for a little bit, so I'm so happy that now I can offer this in studio as well as online. So if you guys, you know, want to sleep with your lashes and sleep on your face, you still can. And then next, oops, more packaging. I got some more of the Clean Curve Bio Gel Pads. They have them like, you know, the under eye pads for like when you're lashing someone. I get 2 packs of the 24 count, yeah, 24 pair count. In here, there's either like a curve that will just go like directly kind of like the end of a smile, or one that kind of looks like that like face, you know, but it's like an asymmetrical curve. But yeah, so you kind of just choose your preference. They both do the same thing. They're made of the same thing. It's just the shaping that you want under the eye. One kind of like highlights the cheekbone a little bit more. And then we also have some mini gel bath cleanser, the Lash bath cleanser. If you guys didn't know, I actually give one away to all of my clients in full sets. I think it's a great way just to, you know, introduce people to cleansing, just because a lot of people don't even know that you're supposed to cleanse your lashes, which we definitely change that when they come here. We're like, no, you gotta cleanse every day, all day. And then next, what do I have in here? Ooh, we have some Fluff Up. These are the little reusable spoolies. Love them. I want to say they won like the Best of Beauty awards. I know Borboletta posted about it like I think a couple weeks ago, but highly recommend. And they're about like $10 a piece, so it's not too crazy. Then we also have some full-size breakdown. This is their, you know, oil-free makeup remover. Whether you have lashes or you don't, you can use this product all year round. It really takes off the whole face. So highly recommend. All right, and then I also have some Lash Bath foam cleanser, full size. This was out of stock, I think, for like 3 months. I think I probably had one of the last ones that were like in the company still circulating before they made a new batch. So I'm so happy that now I have it again in studio, just because my clients really love that consistency. Even though the gel cleanser is the same like formulation, it's just the consistency that's a little different. Like the foam just helps you cleanse easier, in my opinion. And then I also got another full-size gel cleanser, because you know, you can't get one without the other. And then for the piece de resistance, got some lashes here. Let me tell you what I have. So in here, I have two 0.06 in the 10 millimeter for CC curl, as well as 0.05 and 9 millimeter for the CC curl. I also have 0.05 and 11 millimeter for CC curl. If you guys did not know, I use CC curl quite a bit. It's very rare that I'll use like an M, an L, or even a D. I honestly don't use C's anymore because no one comes to me for just like a very like barely there natural set. Everybody likes the lift of the CC. And then I also have a CC 0.15 and 11 millimeter. These are amazing for classics, or if you want to, you know, like amp up your hybrid sets. Lately I've been going between 0.15 and 0.18 for classics. I'm now kind of starting to branch into, what is it, 0.20, but that may be a little heavy for some of my clients. And then, but last but not least, the Old Faithful, the Borboletta Lash Serum. Guys, this stuff is amazing. Whether you get extensions or not, like, highly recommend you get into this. Even in my own lashes, I use it every day. Even in my own lashes, it honestly, yeah, that's the end of the box. But yeah, even in my own lashes, I've noticed quite a difference. Like before, I thought I had baby lashes. Now I'm like, oh my God, look, there's something there. So highly recommend, if you feel like you've had an issue with growth for your lashes, or you just want longer, stronger lashes, highly recommend you pick up the Borboletta Lash Serum. You can either pick it up at borboletta.com or tweezerhappy.com. I do have a code down below that you can use on Borboletta's website that you can save off your first order if you want to order through them. Or if you want to order through me, feel free. But yeah, without further ado, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this unbox with me. As you can tell, there's a whole ton of stuff that was in that little box. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see down below, and please make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.